Intensive Practice 5.1, question 2. For each of the following arithmetic progression, find the nth term as stated in the bracket. So basically here they want us to find Tn. So the formula for Tn will be a plus n minus 1d. This is for arithmetic progression. Okay, let's look at A. So here we have negative 12, negative 9, negative 6. So A is negative 12 because A is always the first term. Then we need to find D. D is the difference. So to find D, we just do T2 minus T1. T2 is negative 9. T1 is negative 12. So negative 9 minus negative 12, we get 3. So the D is 3 lah. It increases by 3. And this will be the progression. So now let's find T9, since they want us to find the 9th term. So T9 will be A plus n minus 1 D. Negative 12 plus 8 times 3, we get 12. So the 9th term is just 12. Then we do B. Same thing. A is the first term, which is 1 over 3. D, we can use T2 minus T1. So negative 1 over 3 minus 1 over 3. This will give us negative 2 over 3. We want to find the 15th term. So T15 is A plus n minus 1D. So A is 1 over 3. N minus 1 D. 1 over 3 plus 14 and D. Negative 9. So the 15th term is negative 9. Done.